In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a web app in Glide. By the end, you'll have a simple, polished app ready to share, and you'll understand the core workflow inside Glide. Start by opening your web browser and heading over to the Glide website. Glide runs in the browser, so there's nothing to install. Once the page loads, sign into your account. If it's your first time here, you'll be taken to a clean dashboard where all your projects live. After you're signed in, look for the option labeled New App and click it. This is the gateway to creating a fresh project. Next, Glide will ask how you want to begin. You can start from scratch if you want full control and prefer building your layout step by step. This option is great when you have a clear vision. Or you can select a template if you want a head start with pre-built screens and structure. Templates are helpful when you're exploring ideas or working on a common use case. Choose the path that fits your needs. Then click Create App. Glide will set up your workspace and open the app editor. Now, focus on the design area. On the right side of the editor, you'll see layout options. Click the website layout there to switch your app into a clean, web-friendly presentation. This sets the overall style, spacing, and navigation behavior so your app looks great in a browser. To shape your app's content, use the left sidebar. Click the Add icon to add screens. Each screen is like a page in your app. Think Home, Features, or Support. You can add as many as you need and rename them to keep things organized. If you ever change your mind, you can rearrange or remove screens without affecting the rest of your project. With your screens in place, move to the right sidebar to customize the layout. This panel lets you fine-tune what appears on each screen, adjust components, tweak visibility, and refine the look so everything feels consistent. Take a moment to ensure your headings are clear, your images are sized appropriately, and your content flows logically from one screen to the next. Small visual adjustments here make a big difference in the final experience. When you're happy with how everything looks, go to the top right and click Publish. Glide will package your app and make it available on the web so you can share it instantly. Thanks for watching this step-by-step Glide tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and walkthroughs. See you in the next video.